Learning sign language can be a fun experience and help you interact better with the hearing disabled community. Also, if you want to work as an interpreter or sign languages trainer, you can earn quite a good amount of money. Among many sign languages, British Sign Language is one of the most popular. Watch this video till the end to know about 5 different ways to learn British Sign Language. There are some notable books and applications from where you can get comprehensible knowledge on learning BSL. For beginners, there are a bunch of YouTube channels dedicated to teaching British Sign Language. An online course can be a good source for learning British Sign Language. You can learn at your own pace from anywhere since they are accessible from any devices. There is also tutor support to assist with your learning, and you will be certified upon completion by a recognized accreditation body. The best way to learn is face-to-face learning. You will get instant feedback and gain the confidence to use the language. You can check your locality for educational institutes or community services with a language club where they offer personal assistance to sign language learners. There is no better way to learn a language than by practicing. The benefits of learning with a family member or friend are that you will be more self-aware and become more confident. There are lots of British Sign Language learners and enthusiasts who created groups and pages in social media to learn and practice more. They are very welcoming and generous to help to learn the language. If sign language interests you, you can learn them from many sources. One Education offers sign language courses with expert tutor support. Enrol BSL course to learn British Sign Language and gain the skill of conversing with deaf people.